Hello, let me get started by logging. Here is the user ID 1001, password 1234. Click login. Here is the menu. Let me click start quiz. It's loading, and here we are, the quiz activity. So at the bottom, at the top of the quiz activity, we can see there is a title, online quiz system, and exam subject, that's Java SE, user ID 1001. That user ID is what I have input, when I log into the system. Exam questions, it's going to be 20 questions for this quiz. Exam time, that's 10 minutes, which means they're going to be 10 minutes for the whole quiz. Then the first question, as we can see here in the middle of the screen, is which language can be read by a machine directly. If a user wants to pick answer D, then here are 4 checkbox below the question. Let me pick answer D. Then you can see the first question is now marked. After get this question down, I would probably want to move on to the next question. So I can click question number 2, and here you can see here the questions. Then let me pick answer C, then question C is marked. Okay, so below the checkbox, I actually can move those questions from right to the left or left to the right. So you can see that. Then, which means I can pick any questions I want to answer right away. So, for example, I want to answer question 8 right now. Then I will press question number 8. Here, question number 8 appears on the screen. Then I would prefer probably answer A this time. Then question 8 would be marked. So, any questions a user wants to pick, this time question 16, questions marked. Then let's assume the user wants to review the answer to questions. Then he or she can press the answer to questions. For example, question A, then we can see answer D has been picked. But if the user wants to uncheck the answer, he or she can do that by uncheck question D. Then uncheck answer D, then question 1 now is unmarked. So basically the user can uncheck any questions he or she has answered. For example, question A uncheck or uncheck. By the way, it also supports multiple choice, so if the user thinks that more than one answer is correct, then he or she can choose 3 answers. For example, this one, question A, he or she can pick answers B, C, D. And the last but not least is there is a timer at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, remaining time for this quiz is 6 minutes and 37 seconds, and it's counting down to the 0. So I think that's it for this week. Thank you very much.